What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Joshua from html with Joshua, and in today's video we are going to be suddenly checking on how to add an image and also an animated background to your website. So what are we waiting for? Let's just get right into the video. So right now I'm here in Visual Studio Code, the website that I'm making on. So what we are going to do is what I have done, and after all the codes I have give these div tags over here at the starting of the code and also in the ending of the code. So what we are going to do is inside the div tag we are going to type a style attribute. And inside the style attribute we are going to do a quick background image like that, and background image we can do this URL like that. So it's, you can like literally type in the URL that you want. So first we'll start with background images. We will go to Google and just search for some sort of images. So we'll go to Google Images and we'll search for images, and yeah, we get a lot of images. So we will just pick a random image right here, and what we are going to do is click on this copy image address. After you copy the address of the image, we can just go ahead in the URL and paste it in over there. And after that, save your code, go back to your website, refresh it, and you get a whole image behind your website like this. So but as you can see, this thing is actually framing up. How do you solve that? So what you want to do is go ahead and after you do the style attribute over here, after closing that all image things, we're going to go for background repeat. Background repeat, we're going to type no repeat. So what this does is that it stops the repetition of the background. But now what happens is that this thing right here gets small and cannot cover the whole website. So what we are going to do is we are going to go and type in another CSS code called as background cover. And we're going to do in that cover, we are going to put that cover into, we're going to like enclose it. So we want the background to cover it totally. I guess it's like full or something, or we can also do, it's actually like a background size, so we can do like background size cover like that. So what happens now, if you do like this, the image just covers the whole thing up without repeating. So we have like a background image right now for the website, but now what we want is really animated background. So what you want to do is go ahead and make this into GIF. We can go for pixel art, wallpaper, GIF. I like pixel art, so I go with that. You can choose anything that you want. I will go ahead and choose anything that you want. You can explore here. So we can go over here and just like a animated GIF over here. We can copy the image address like that, and what we are going to do here is instead of this URL right over here, we are going to paste this URL. So now what happens is that instead of this, we get a pretty good background. And yeah, there's a bit of problem in sizing of that. So what we are going to do right now here is we are going to be for solving this thing, we are going to work background. We got a lot of background position, with background attachment, background, all of these. We're gonna go with background attachment, and we're gonna go for fixed. So now what happens is that the background becomes fixed to the back, so it becomes more clear. So we just have now a nice animated background to our website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash the like button. We are so close to 100 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button. And that's it for me, you guys. If you